PragerU, short for Prager University, is an American non-profit organization that creates videos on various political, economic, and philosophical topics from an American conservative or right-wing perspective. The organization was co-founded by talk show host and writer Dennis Prager and Alan Estrin. The videos are posted on YouTube and usually feature a speaker who lectures for about 5 minutes. The organization relies on donations, and much of its early funding came from fracking billionaires Dan and Ferris Wilks. PragerU is not a university or academic institution. It does not hold classes, does not grant certifications or diplomas, and is not accredited by any recognized body. PragerU was founded in 2009 by conservative radio talk show host Dennis Prager and radio producer and screenwriter Alan Estrin in order to present conservative views and to offset what Prager regards as the undermining of college education by the left. The two originally considered making it a brick-and-mortar university, but the idea was revised into a digital product to save money. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.